Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The art of layering sauce, pasta, and cheese. The magic of lasagna lies in its layers. Consistency here is key to ensuring every bite is equally delicious. Think of it like painting, where each brushstroke adds to the masterpiece. Apply layers in this sequence. Pasta. Start with your prepared pasta sheets. Make sure they cover the sauce layer completely. Bolognese. Generously spread a layer of your rich bolognese sauce over the pasta. Aim for even coverage. Béchamel. Spoon a layer of creamy béchamel sauce over the bolognese. Its richness will seep into the pasta. Cheeses. Sprinkle a blend of Parmigiano, Reggiano, and fresh mozzarella over the béchamel. Don't be shy, these cheeses add both flavor and fantastic texture. Repeat this sequence until you've used most of your ingredients. The goal is to distribute the sauces and cheeses evenly throughout each layer. This way, every single forkful holds a perfect mix of all the flavors. It ensures a cohesive and truly flavorful lasagna. Achieving the golden top, final layers and baking instructions. The final layers are crucial for that irresistible golden crust and bubbly cheese pull. It's the crown jewel of your lasagna. Final layers. Conclude your layering with a generous top coat. This typically means a final layer of pasta, followed by a thick spread of béchamel. Finish with an ample dusting of Parmigiano Reggiano. This top layer will brown and bubble to perfection. Baking temperature. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. A moderately hot oven ensures even cooking without burning the edges too quickly. Initial baking covered. Place your assembled lasagna in the preheated oven. Cover the baking dish tightly with aluminum foil. This traps steam and helps the pasta cook through without drying out. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes covered. Final baking, uncovered. After the initial baking, carefully remove the foil. Return the lasagna to the oven and continue baking for another 15 to 20 minutes. Watch for that beautiful, bubbly, golden brown crust to form on top. The cheese should be melted and lightly browned. Resting time. Once out of the oven, let your lasagna rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes before slicing. This allows the layers to set, preventing them from falling apart when you serve. It also helps the flavors meld even further. Perfection in every slice, resting and serving your authentic lasagna al forno. You've poured your heart into creating this magnificent lasagna al forno. The aroma is likely filling your kitchen, tempting you to dive right in. But patience now is key for the perfect serving experience. We'll cover why a little wait makes all the difference and how to best enjoy your culinary creation. The importance of resting lasagna before slicing. It's exciting to pull a hot, bubbly lasagna from the oven. Yet, the most challenging part might be waiting to cut into it. Why is this rest so critical? It's all about maintaining the integrity of those beautiful layers you carefully built. Here's why resting your lasagna is essential. Layers set. As the lasagna cools, the sauces thicken slightly. This allows the layers of pasta, béchamel, bolognese, and cheese to bond together firmly. Prevents falling apart. Without proper rest, the layers can slide and fall apart when you try to slice and lift a piece. Resting ensures clean, neat servings. Retains moisture. The heat within the lasagna continues to cook it gently as it rests. This process also allows the moisture to redistribute evenly throughout the dish. This prevents it from drying out and keeps every bite tender and juicy. We recommend a resting time of 15 to 20 minutes after removing the lasagna from the oven. This brief pause makes a significant difference in both presentation and taste. Serving suggestions and wine pairings. Once your lasagna al forno has rested, it's ready to impress. This rich, Hearty dish pairs beautifully with simple sides that balance its intensity. Consider these serving suggestions. Green salad. A simple green salad dressed with a light vinaigrette offers a fresh contrast. The acidity cuts through the richness of the lasagna, refreshing your palate. Crusty bread. A warm, crusty baguette or ciabatta is perfect for soaking up any leftover sauce on your plate. It's a classic Italian accompaniment. To truly elevate the meal, pair your lasagna al forno with the right wine. The goal is to choose wines that complement its savory depth without overwhelming it. Popular wine pairings include Sangiovese. This central Italian grape is a classic choice. Wines like Chianti or Brunello di Montalcino offer good acidity and red fruit notes that stand up well to the Bolognese. Lambrusco. For something a bit different, a dry Lambrusco can be delightful. Its slight fizziness and dark fruit flavors offer a refreshing contrast to the rich sauces and meats. Barbier. From Piedmont, Barbier wines are typically fruit-forward with lower tannins and bright acidity. This makes them versatile enough to complement the various flavors in the dish. Making lasagna al forno at home is more than just cooking, it is an experience. It brings together rich flavors and comforting textures. Each step, from simmering the bolognese to layering the ingredients, builds anticipation. The reward is a dish that truly reflects Italian tradition and warmth. Share this authentic lasagna al forno with your family and friends. Watch their faces light up with each bite. This recipe is a journey into the heart of Italian cooking, creating lasting memories around the table. The timeless appeal of Italian food is something everyone can enjoy together. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.